Hey,
Hey,
you look tired today.
yeah, a little.
Long day.
Very long day.
Oh no, what happened?
Everything happened.
That sounds serious.
It kind of was.
Tell me.
First, I woke up late.
Oh, not a good start.
Not at all.
What time did you wake up?
Around 8:30.
And work started at.
9.
Oh wow,
Yeah, I jumped out of bed.
I can imagine.
I didn't even eat breakfast.
Really, no coffee.
Just one quick cup.
That's dangerous.
I know.
I need breakfast every morning.
Might too.
So what happened next?
The bus was late.
Of course.
And then traffic was terrible.
Sounds stressful already.
It was.
Did your boss say anything?
Yes.
Uh-oh.
He looked at me and said, "Good afternoon."
No way.
Yes way.
That's actually funny.
Not at that moment.
True.
I was embarrassed.
I understand.
But later it became funny.
That's good.
What about you?
My day was okay.
Just okay.
Yeah, not amazing, not terrible.
One of those days.
Exactly.
What did you do?
Mostly work.
Busy.
Very busy.
Same here.
I had so many emails today.
I hate that.
Me too.
Sometimes I read the same email 3 times
Me too.
and still don't understand it.
Exactly.
English emails can be confusing.
Especially long ones.
Yes.
Short emails are the best.
Like okay.
Or sounds good.
Perfect emails.
Simple and clear.
So true.
Did anything good happen today?
Let me think.
There must be one good thing.
Oh, actually, yes.
See,
A coworker brought donuts.
that's important news.
Very important.
What kind?
Chocolate.
Nice.
And strawberry.
Even better.
I had 2.
Only 2.
Okay, 3.
I knew it.
They were really good.
I'm jealous now.
Sorry.
It's okay.
You can get coffee tomorrow and make me jealous.
Deal.
What was the best part of your day?
Probably lunch.
Lunch.
Yes.
Good food.
Very good food.
What did you eat?
Noodles and dumplings.
That sounds amazing.
It was.
Now I'm hungry.
Sorry.
No, it's fine.
Did you eat dinner yet?
Not yet.
You should eat something.
I know.
Don't skip meals.
You sound like my mom.
Maybe your mom is right.
She usually is.
Moms are powerful.
Very powerful.
So after work, what did you do?
I went home and rested for a while.
Good idea.
I was so tired.
Did you sleep?
Just for 20 minutes.
A small nap.
Yeah.
Those are dangerous too.
Why?
Because 20 minutes becomes 2 hours.
That happens to me all the time.
Same.
Today I was lucky.
That's good.
Then I watched some videos online.
Anything interesting?
Mostly cooking videos.
Cooking videos are relaxing.
Very relaxing.
Did they make you hungry?
Extremely hungry.
That always happens.
Always.
I watched travel videos today.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Where?
Italy.
Nice choice.
The food looked incredible.
Pizza.
Pizza, pasta, ice cream, everything.
Now I'm even more hungry.
Sorry again.
You keep talking about food.
Because food makes people happy.
True.
Are you feeling better now?
Yeah, actually.
Good.
Talking helps.
It really does.
I was stressed before.
And now,
More relaxed.
I'm glad.
Thanks for listening.
Of course.
Sometimes I just need someone to ask, "How was your day?"
That's an important question.
It is.
People say it every day.
But sometimes they don't really listen.
Exactly.
You listen.
I try.
That means a lot.
Oh,
What?
that was sweet.
I'm serious.
I know.
So, how are you really feeling today?
Honestly,
Yeah.
a little tired too.
From work.
In life,
I understand that feeling.
sometimes I smile all day at work.
Even when you're tired inside.
Exactly.
That's hard.
but talking now helps me too.
Good.
Thanks for asking.
Anytime.
You know what I learned today?
What?
Small conversations matter.
They really do.
Even simple questions can help people feel better.
Like, how was your day?
Exactly.
That's true.
By the way,
Yeah.
your English is getting better.
Really?
Yes,
Thanks, I practice every day.
I can tell.
I still make mistakes though.
Everyone makes mistakes.
Even native speakers.
Of course.
That makes me feel better.
Don't be afraid to speak.
I try not to be.
Confidence is important.
Sometimes I feel shy.
Me too.
Really?
Yes,
You seem confident.
not always.
Interesting.
We all have insecure moments.
That's true.
The important thing is to keep going.
Keep practicing.
Exactly.
Little by little.
Day by day.
English becomes easier.
Yes,
I like conversations like this.
me too.
They feel real.
Real English is the best English.
Not perfect English.
No, real English.
I like that.
People pause.
People forget words.
People repeat things.
That's normal.
Exactly.
Sometimes learners think they must sound perfect.
But communication is more important.
Yes,
If people understand you, that's great.
I'd agree.
And listening helps a lot too.
Definitely.
I listen to English every day.
Podcasts.
Podcasts, videos, music, everything.
Nice.
Even 10 minutes helps.
Consistency is important.
Very important.
So, what are you going to do tonight?
Probably drink tea and relax.
Sounds peaceful.
What about you?
I think I'll order dinner.
Good plan.
Then maybe sleep early.
Also a good plan.
Today was exhausting.
Tomorrow will be better.
I hope so.
I believe so.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
I already feel calmer.
That's nice to hear.
Sometimes we just need a quiet conversation.
And a good listener.
Exactly.
Well,
Yeah.
thanks for talking with me today.
Thank you too.
I enjoyed this conversation.
Might too.
And to everyone listening,
Keep practicing your English.
don't worry about mistakes.
Mistakes help you learn.
Speak slowly if you need to.
Repeat useful phrases.
Listen every day.
And enjoy the process.
Your English can improve step by step.
One conversation at a time.
See you next time.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye.